Cubist Portrait Part 2. So you should have your paper from Part 1 where you drew a face and divided it into different parts and colored those in. Now you're going to take one of your small papers and you are going to color it in with one color. So I'm taking my light green color or crayon and I am going to color in all the way around and then fill it all the way in. So this paper should look all light green at the end. Now you're going to get your other paper. Now this time I'm going to show you how I do it on top of a piece of scrap paper. So I'm just coloring all the way to the edge and part of it's going onto the scrap paper, but that's okay because the scrap paper I can just throw away later, but this helps me get the color all the way to the edge. So this one I am making light pink. I want all of it to look light pink. So I'm going around all the edges, making sure it goes all the way to the edge. Now we're going to take the light pink one and we're going to draw an eye. So I start by making a rainbow shape and then I make a smile shape. There's a letter C on one side and a backwards C on the other. Then I'm adding lashes to the top and then I will add lashes to the bottom. You can choose whatever color you want to color in your eye. I chose a light blue. So I'm going to color in the inside part light blue. Make sure you get all the way to the edge so it looks really nice. I also grabbed my black so I can make one black dot in the center. So that's an eye that's looking at us. This time we're going to take the green and we're going to turn it sideways and we're going to draw an eye that looks like it's looking out to the left. So I'm going to make those two lines there and then almost a letter C. So that's the eye looking left. So just like my other eye, I'm going to also color this one light blue. You can do them different colors if you want. I just chose to make mine the same color. I also decided to add a few more eyelashes. Now it's time to glue them. So you'll need a glue bottle or you can use glue stick also. So I'm going to put my eyes on here and decide where I want to put them. That looks good. So I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to hold my glue bottle on the side. And sometimes you have to kind of squeeze it a little bit so it's ready to come out. I'm going to put 4 tiny dots that are away from the edge on the back. And then I'm going to push it down and hold it for 10 seconds. Count to 10. Okay, now I'm going to do my eye that's looking at me. So the same thing, I'm going to grab my glue bottle, put some dots close to the edge but not right next to it. And now I'm going to put down this eye and I'm going to count to 10. Okay, my eyes are on. Now I'm going to make the nose. So I'm going to get my black crayon and make a letter C and then some little wiggles for the bottom of the nose. And now I'm going to make the top lip and then the bottom lip. I decided I needed a neck on my portrait. So I'm making 2 lines coming down, and then I decided to color that green. Now there's 2 things missing. We need to make the ears on the sides. Ears are kind of funny looking, so I'm just adding these curvy lines to the edges, and then I'm gonna color them in. I colored mine 2 different colors. Now finish your Cubist portrait. Have fun!